All right, team. The snowy peaks are just ahead. Ready? Ready? I was born for the cold. Let's slide!
It's a bit bigger than I thought. Brr!
Don't worry, Mimi. We'll keep you warm. Keep moving. Look at me! I'm a rocket ship! Whee!
Whoa! Okay, ice is definitely not my natural habitat. Look, a shiny cave. Maybe there's hot cocoa inside?
It's like a palace made of diamonds. Amazing.
Listen! The mountain is singing to us!
Uh-oh. Did anyone else hear that rumble?
Hey! Who turned off the lights for a second?
It's a giant water sculpture. Nature is the best artist.
The golden hour in the snow is even better than the savannah.
Hold on tight, Leo! Here we go!
Okay, Mimi, I'm ready. Wow! Faster, 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 faster! I'm flying! I'm actually flying!
Is everyone okay? That was intense.
Can we do that again? Please, please, please!
Best winter trip ever. Good job, guys. The sky is dancing. Good night, snowy world.